you ready to take your website to the next level? Whether you're a blogger, an e-commerce entrepreneur, or a small business owner, your website's success is pivotal. And at the heart of this success lies the choice of the right hosting service. Today, we're delving into the intricacies of WordPress hosting, the engine powering millions of websites worldwide. Join us on this journey to unlock the potential of your online presence. Welcome, everyone! I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exploration of WordPress hosting. I'm Naim, and I'll be your companion as we unravel the mysteries behind a website's optimal performance. Whether you're new to WordPress or a seasoned user, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you make informed decisions about your website's hosting needs. WordPress powers over 40% of the internet. That's millions of websites relying on its robustness, flexibility, and customization. But to ensure your WordPress site runs seamlessly, choosing the right hosting service is crucial. WordPress hosting is a specialized service tailored to the unique needs of WordPress websites. It's optimized to enhance performance, security, and scalability. Let's understand the different types of hosting and why WordPress-specific hosting stands out. When it comes to website hosting, options abound. From shared hosting, which is budget-friendly but limited in resources, to dedicated servers offering ultimate control, each has its pros and cons. However, for a WordPress site, specialized hosting is engineered to deliver superior performance and support, ensuring your site runs like a well-oiled machine. What sets WordPress hosting apart? It's the array of specialized features and benefits designed to optimize your website. From automatic updates to enhanced security measures and expert customer support, WordPress hosting ensures your website remains secure, up-to-date, and well-supported, allowing you to focus on your content and business while leaving the technical aspects to the experts. The market is flooded with hosting providers, but not all are created equal. Let's explore the top-tier providers offering exceptional WordPress hosting services. We've handpicked the creme de la creme of WordPress hosting providers. Each has its unique strengths, catering to different needs. Whether it's speed, customer service, or scalability, there's a provider that aligns with your specific requirements. Optimizing website performance is key to retaining visitors and climbing search engine rankings. With WordPress hosting, experience lightning-fast load times, superior caching mechanisms, and optimized server configurations for unparalleled performance. Speed matters. With WordPress hosting, your site can load faster, keeping your audience engaged and satisfied. These optimized servers are fine-tuned for WordPress, ensuring your website runs at its peak performance. As your website grows, scalability becomes a critical factor. WordPress hosting services offer scalability that enables your site to handle increased traffic without compromising on performance. The flexibility to scale resources as needed is a game changer for evolving websites. WordPress hosting scalability means your site can grow without constraints. Whether it's a sudden surge in traffic or the need for additional resources, these hosting services adapt to your website's demands, ensuring it stays responsive and reliable. Protecting your website from cyber threats is paramount. WordPress hosting provides robust security features, including malware scans, firewalls, and regular security updates to shield your site from potential vulnerabilities. Security is non-negotiable. WordPress hosting ensures your website is fortified against threats, giving you peace of mind to focus on your content without worrying about potential security breaches. In the world of web hosting, having reliable customer support is a game changer. WordPress hosting services offer expert assistance, round-the-clock support, and dedicated WordPress professionals to address any concerns promptly. Quality support is invaluable. With WordPress hosting, you're not alone. Access to knowledgeable support teams ensures that any issues or queries you encounter are swiftly resolved, letting you focus on your website's growth. WordPress hosting allows for greater control and customization. Tailor your server settings, install plugins, and make configuration adjustments to suit your specific website needs, granting you unparalleled control over your online presence. The ability to fine-tune your hosting environment is a massive advantage. With WordPress hosting, you're in the driver's seat, customizing your website's backend to align perfectly with your vision. Contrary to the common belief that specialized hosting is costly, WordPress hosting solutions come in various budget-friendly packages, offering cost-effective plans catering to different user needs and budget constraints. WordPress hosting doesn't have to break the bank. There are options available to suit various budgets without compromising on the quality and performance of your website. If you're considering moving an existing website to a WordPress-specific host, fear not. The migration process is streamlined and hassle-free, with many providers offering seamless transfer services to ensure a smooth transition. Shifting your website to a WordPress-specific host is easier than you think. Providers often offer migration assistance, making the switch painless and ensuring your site maintains its performance throughout the process. The physical location of server infrastructure can significantly impact website performance. With WordPress hosting, the availability of servers in multiple locations enhances the site's speed and user experience across different regions. Having servers strategically located around the globe ensures your website loads swiftly, no matter where your audience is. WordPress hosting considers global reach, contributing to a seamless experience for users worldwide. Disasters happen, but with WordPress hosting, your data is protected. Automated backups and reliable data recovery systems ensure that in case of mishaps, your website's content remains safe and restorable. Having backups is a safety net. With WordPress hosting, your website's data is regularly backed up, giving you the assurance that your content is safeguarded, come what may. WordPress hosting is optimized to work flawlessly with a myriad of plugins and themes. These hosting solutions ensure seamless integration and compatibility, allowing you to leverage the full potential of WordPress's extensive library of tools. Maximize your website's functionality. With WordPress hosting, your site easily accommodates the latest plugins and themes, amplifying its capabilities and aesthetic appeal. Understanding website performance is vital. With WordPress hosting, integration with advanced analytics and reporting tools allows you to track visitor data, monitor site metrics, and make informed decisions to enhance your website's performance. Insight is power. WordPress hosting often provides integration with analytics tools, enabling you to analyze user behavior and make data-driven improvements to optimize your website's performance. Technology is always evolving. With WordPress hosting, providers ensure regular updates and technology upgrades, future-proofing your site against obsolescence and ensuring it stays ahead in the dynamic digital landscape. Your website stays up to date. With WordPress hosting, your site remains relevant and equipped with the latest technologies, guaranteeing its longevity and adaptability in the ever-changing online world. That concludes our ultimate guide to WordPress hosting. We've covered the fundamentals, the perks, and the top players in this field. Remember, your website's success hinges on the foundation it stands upon, and WordPress hosting is that solid foundation. Make an informed choice and witness the transformative power it holds for your website. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time, keep optimizing, keep succeeding. This is Presenter's Name, signing off.